Oh, why is my, like, camera on? Is that better? Yeah, I feel like it's a little better. Anywho, I am so tired. Like, I feel like I just did a workout and I cleaned the bathroom while Elizabeth watched Frozen in her room. But it is March 1st, which means I officially have one more month left of my, not my maternity leave, of work. And yeah, super excited. Anywho, I feel like I'm down. Like, now it's like, okay, I need to accomplish stuff every weekend, I feel like, now. But I've organized a little bit of my hospital bag. I brought the car seat in. That needs a good cleaning. Not like, it's not disgusting, but it needs a wipe down and stuff. Vacuum. And then, what else? Sorry, I'm out of breath. I cleaned the bathtub. What else did I do? I think that's it. That's all I've done. But, yeah, I want to start writing like a little shopping list. Get like travel size toothpaste and toothbrushes and stuff. Shampoo. I don't know if I'll wash my hair and stuff. It's so hard to say because, when I was there with Elizabeth, I was there for 5 days and I don't know what's gonna happen. I should know a little bit more this Wednesday with my ultrasound results, but yeah, so that's what's going on. Oh, I forgot Elizabeth put this in my hair. So yeah. Alrighty, I don't even know what episode this is, but we had my ultrasound vlog, and then I think this is going to go after it. Yes. But anywho, my Hello Bella order came in. If you didn't know, that's where I've really been getting my diapers from and stuff. It is a little tricky if you just need, maybe it's not, but I hadn't ordered for a while because I just needed wipes, but now I needed both, and with 2 kids, it's going to come in handy. I do cloth diapers. If you've seen my previous cloth diaper videos, I'll link them down below. I might even film an updated one for you guys because I feel like there's, I don't know, maybe more of like, I want to do like, maybe I'll do like a cloth diaper routine or something. But Elizabeth does wear pull-ups to bed, and I like that they have that option. So I got her the size 3 to 4 because she is turning 3, and I'd rather have it not be as snug. I don't know. What's up? Okay. So you get, I think, 7 packs of diapers. Okay. And you get a free gift every time. And each box is really cool. So like this one, it can turn into a pirate ship. Yeah. And I get to pick. Yeah. You get to pick, they give you some options to go with. And then everything in their store is 15% off. So if you get something with your bundle, and you can have, you can pick your subscription service too. I do every 5 weeks, but it will tell me before it ships it out. And then I will usually just change it if I don't need it. So I actually basically paused it until April, well, till now. And I got size 1 for baby. He is measuring big. If you haven't seen my ultrasound, last ultrasound or OB appointment. So I'm glad that I didn't go with newborn, and I just went with size 1. So for the first little bit, we kind of do like cloth and diapers, and then once he is sleeping more throughout the night, I do disposables at night. I don't like stuffing cloth diapers. I think it just looks uncomfortable, so we do disposables. So everything came, like, it was like a 97 Canadian dollars, tax included. So I thought I would just share with you guys what I got. But I got him his own, just like cream. I have no idea what his skin is going to be like, but this is the plant-based, made with organic coconut, chamomile, and tamanu oils, fragrance-free everywhere balm. And, yeah. Oh, it also says from cradle cap to cuticles. That's kind of cool. So yeah, it's basically just everywhere cream. And I'm going to put it here. And it's cute because it actually goes with, no, we don't go in his crib anymore, right? Because it's too high. And I have all his stuff in there. See, this is his new cream.
I want to
Yeah.
see it. I want to see it.
Hopefully it has a seal, but yeah. Alrighty. Kind of not bad for video quality, but we're on my iPad right now. And I thought I would update you guys. I think at this point we are on episode 17. But I just thought I would share with you guys kind of what we've been doing. Not as much as I would like to get done, but I'm feeling pretty confident. I also have tomorrow morning off. I have a ultrasound appointment, so I'm hoping I'll be able to get a little bit done. A little out of breath. I just brought a suitcase upstairs, but I thought I would share with you guys kind of what I plan on doing for maternity shoot. So basically, I feel like everybody needs to coordinate around me. So I was thinking of doing, which I know is kind of brave, but white and navy blue. So I have this top right here. I haven't tried it on yet, but we'll see. And then I have these shorts that I got from Joe Fresh. And these are an extra large. Yeah, I don't even know if you can see them. So they're like this, and they're navy blue with like little white speckles. Or I would just wear jeans, which I think I'm kind of what I'm opting for, because everybody else is going to be wearing jeans. The kids will be wearing like jeggings. I'm thinking we're all going to be like white top and then blue jeans. So just wanted to throw that out there. And then I'm going to take you to his nursery. I wish I would have showed you before pictures, but I wrote down what I want to pack. I want to stop at Shoppers this weekend or even tomorrow. But I doubt it's going to be tomorrow. And pick up like little travel size stuff to pack. So yeah, I have my ultrasound tomorrow, and I won't get my results until the following Wednesday at my OB appointment. So I have no idea what they're gonna say when it comes to like when he's coming. Like right now, he could come, like they might have me plan a sooner C-section than later. Like I might be having him sooner than later. So, which is crazy. As the days, sorry, someone's walking their dog, their family. I think they got a puppy. As the days draw near, I'm so super excited to meet him. So maybe we'll have a March baby, maybe we'll have an April baby. I'm not 100% sure yet. Oh my God, he's so adorable. But I thought I would just, give you like a little update. So here's our suitcases. They are kind of large. I'm not sure, like a part of me wants to bring this big giant suitcase, and Richard's like, I just don't want to be embarrassed carrying this around. But I regret bringing my nursing pillow. Last time I brought like, I don't even remember. I think we brought a table bag, a duffel bag, and then like a tote bag. And so what I recommend, and I'm glad I did this. So basically this is what I brought, and show you for size reference. This had my camera in here, my iPad, my phone, my charger, my wallet, and basically this is what we brought when we went into the hospital. Now, I didn't go in, like I was induced, and I went back because nothing was happening. They wanted me to go back, regardless, and I'm glad I just brought this. I don't regret it because I don't recommend you bringing in all your luggage and stuff. Only unless you're like, you're being admitted or whatever. But for us, you have no idea. Even if you're in labor, you could be at a 2, right? Like, you have no idea, and then they might not admit you. So until they admit us, I don't think we're going to bring our suitcase, and even then, I mean, things could be a little different. I want to ask my OB at my next appointment if I can remember, because I always seem to forget these things. So what happens is you go to OB triage, at least for me. You go to OB triage, and they check you out, right? That's where they kind of examine you, hook you up to a machine. Now, our OB triage, it's like a bed, a curtain, a bed, a curtain, a bed, a curtain, right? And I bet you can fit like 10 to 12 people, like, because there's 2 rooms. And yeah, they'll tell me. So I was at a 1, and then they got me a room, but that wasn't the recovery room. So then we had to bring all of our stuff from that room to the recovery room. So highly recommend this. I hear a little girl coming up the stairs in a beautiful dress with a beautiful bow and some beautiful shoes and some beautiful nails. So yeah, I highly recommend bringing a smaller bag. That way, when you go to OB triage, you bring this. When they set you up in your room, you bring this. And I don't think he'll grab the suitcase until he's like actually here. And then I will have him grab the stuff. And then even if it's like late at night or something, I'll have him go to the car, grab it, and then come back to our room is what I'm thinking. So yeah, even like our car seat, we left that in the car until the morning of. Like, we knew we were leaving that morning. So I think the night before or something, he got it. So we'll see. Like, if this is a planned C-section, it might go a little different. But definitely talk to your OB, talk to your doctor, especially if this is your first time. You just kind of be like, what's expected, right? Like, what do we do? Now, I had a lot of appointments last time at the hospital, so we never really had a tour. We just went to one of my appointments and kind of got the tour then, if that makes sense. But with COVID, I don't know what the protocols are. So I don't know the size of the suitcase, but this time, I just think it's going to be easier than trying to carry a duffel bag. And yeah, basically I just want something that I can throw everything in. And even like, I don't even know if I'm going to bring a diaper bag. Like, I might just throw everything, or I might throw the diaper bag like in the suitcase. Ah! Oh my goodness!
I'm having to die.
You were? Oh my goodness. So yeah, that's the plan. But I just wanted to give you like a little update because I feel like it's been a while since I've talked to you. Oh, okay. Alrighty, I'll let you guys go.